Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. Now we are starting a new sub-series to learn about the database index. So in this video, we will learn the basics of database index. Index makes data retrieval faster by means of conditional match. So here conditional match in the sense whenever two column needs to be matched or a column needs to be matched with a constant value, the time the index will comes into picture. So for example, there is a table called employee and you have a where condition and in which you are stating that employee ID equal to 1001. So if there are 1 million record, the search will become faster by means of index. So the conditional match, wherever it occurs, there the index will come into picture, and when the column is indexed, data retrieval will become faster. A table can have one or more indexes. There are variety of index types. We will learn about that later. But for now, you can know that a table can have one or more indexes. Index stays as a data structure and stored on the disk. We know that a table will stored in a disk. The same way, the index can also stored in a disk. So for example, if this is your data file, if data is stored like this for a table, the same way in some other data file, the data structure of index can also be stored. So it will not get stored like this graphically, but there will be a data representation to represent this data structure, right? So like there is a storage for table, there is a storage for index data structure as well. So the data structure also gets stored in a flat file, or we can call it as a data file. If we dump more index on a table, here we talked about a table can have one or more indexes, right? So if we dump more indexes on a table, it will affect other operation like insert, update, and delete. Why? Because this is a data structure, right? Say for example, you are inserting some 3 or 4 rows and a table contains multiple index. Multiple index means there will be more data structure like that. So if a new node is added, it will not only add an entry in the table, but it needs to revisit all the index structure and need to add an entry and relink the structure, right? So that will be a costlier operation in terms of insert, update, delete, or a DML. But when we retrieve the data, the time you will see the benefit. That means the retrieval will be faster, as already told, right? An index can be created for one column or more than one column. So when you are creating index, you can specify it for more than one column. So if this is the index, and index can be for one column or it can be for a combination of more than one column. In this sub-series, we will see how to create various indexes. When we go with the index creation, the time you will know the type of the indexes. creating a primary key creates a clustered index. We will learn about clustered index in the next coming videos. But for now, you can know that whenever you create a primary key, there will be an associated clustered index. So in your table definition, if you mark a specific column as a primary key, then there will be an index structure that will get created. And whenever you insert, modify or delete a row, the index structure will be revisited to make adjustment based on your DML statements. You can refer primary key creation video here in this video. We already covered that and it will be available in this playlist as video number 13. So there is no demo in here. Thank you for watching. Bye.